focus on the application of nuclear radiation in medicine. Okay? So the application, we are going to find out how nuclear radiation is being used or applied in medicine. And then after that is the application of nuclear radiation in medicine, good or bad in living things and in the environment. And what is the importance of why radiation safety is important. Okay, so what do you think what will be our activity today? Why these chairs are arranged in this way? Do you have any idea about the activity that you are going to perform today? Yes. And what is that? Elaine, what do you say?
I think we are going to have a debate regarding to that lesson.
Okay, correct. Very good. So we will have a debate. Are you familiar with debate?
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So we will have this day. We want to tell something. Okay. So today we will have a debate on the applications of nuclear radiation in
Medicine.
Okay. I need 12 volunteers. So we have two groups. So in this group, this will be for the affirmative or for the proposition group. And then this group will be for the negative or the opposition group. Okay. So I need 12 volunteers who would like to join. Okay. So
There are countless areas where the power of radiation and nuclear techniques has been harnessed for the benefit of mankind, not only in medicine but also in industry, agriculture, and other fields of science and technology. The benefits to patients in terms of life saved through improved medical diagnosis and treatment techniques are countless, and the well-trained and controlled use of radiation has become key part of modern medical treatment, especially for certain forms of cancer. Today, medical imaging helps to detect and diagnose disease in its earliest stages. It enables physicians to determine the most appropriate and effective care, where previously exploratory surgery was necessary to discover the cause of symptoms or the nature of the disease. Patients today need not worry about hearing loss or nerve damage because the doses of chemotherapy they receive are much lower and just as effective. And besides, there are radiation safety such as shielding and containment, distance, and limiting time.
okay, thank you, Cecil. Now, how about from the negative side?
Something to keep in mind is that one must know the effect of radiation in our body before they undergo on using such applied nuclear radiation in medicine. It is important to know what the exam is, what it is for, and how the result is. This is important to what is needed for your medical purposes. We strictly disagree with the application of radiation in medicine because we do believe that radiation can cause death directly. Every one of us should know that there is no assurance in that process. Knowing that, this will help us to promote not to apply radiation in every matter that affects in our body's human health. Radiation carries a large number of particles that causes a cancer. Keep in mind this. No level of radiation is perfectly safe. What do really save us, rather, is that the probability for one of these particles to cause cancer is very low. There is about a chance 1 in 30 quadrillion.
Okay, thank you. Next speaker.
Another advantages of the application of the nuclear radiation in medicine in terms of diagnosis is the radioimmunoassay or RI technique. This technique is used to detect the hepatitis virus from the blood samples. It also can be